Welcome to Are You Chemistry GCSE Ready? This playlist takes you through loads of example questions and guided solutions for every single topic in your chemistry GCSE. So it's a perfect way for you to test your chemistry knowledge. If you feel like you need a quick review or you just want the ideal revision companion for these videos, then make sure to download my free chemistry GCSE revision notes. I've linked them in the description below. Or if you're ready, let's dive straight in. Okay, transition metals. What are they and how do they compare to other metals? So they're that group of metals that are in the middle of the periodic table, and they have a lot of the classical metal properties that you saw in metallic bonding, but then they also have some unique properties as well. So the classic ones that apply to other metals are things like being good electrical and thermal conductors because of those delocalized electrons that move through this positive ion structure, being malleable and ductile as those layers of those positive ions can slide over each other, and having these high kind of melting and boiling points. Your strong metallic bonding takes a lot of energy to overcome. But then some of the ones that are unique to these transition metals are they can form these ions with different charges. So copper can have a +1 charge or a +2 charge as an ion. It can also form coloured compounds, these ions as well. So copper with a +2 charge forms a blue compound. And also a lot of them you can make good catalysts. So iron, for example, in the Haber process that we'll do a little bit later. So you might get asked about a particular metal and why it's useful for a particular use. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to think about all of those classic kind of metal properties that apply to most metals, but then maybe also some of the things that are directly applicable for this particular metal to that particular use. So why is gold used in jewelry? When I think about what jewelry is used for, I want to wear it. I probably want to wear it for quite a long time and I want it to look nice. So it being shiny, okay, one of my properties of some metals in general is quite a good thing. And then it being unreactive or not being able to corrode is another property that I'm looking for that gold has for my jewelry. And why is it used in some electrical components? Well, what do I want out of an electrical component? I want it to conduct electricity, which it does because it has these delocalized electrons. I probably want it to be ductile or malleable, so it can be stretched into wires or shaped. And because this is metallic bonding, it is. And then also, again, I don't want it to corrode, so I want it to be inert as well. Just before we go into the tips and tricks section, if you do want some extra advice to getting that grade 9 for your GCSE, then why not download my free 20-minute exam success guide? Just click on the link in the description below. I'm going to give away all of my best advice and secrets and completely for free, so why not? Okay, some tips and tricks. So make sure you know your explanations from the metallic bonding topic, as they often feature in these questions about transition metals. So you're using anything specific to that transition metal, but also including things to do with metallic bonding, linking the two, and then linking that to a particular property and therefore use. So both you're using that understanding and your common sense to get you to suggest a metal for a particular use. So if you're not sure what properties the metals have, then think about the property that that thing needs to have for the given use, and then maybe you can select a metal from there.